Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. It's getting cold here in Uruguay and I was craving for something hot and spicy. So today we are preparing Cabbage Manchurian, or also known as Veg Manchurian. And yes, they are vegan. So let's go ahead and see the ingredients we would need for it. We would need 200 grams of grated cabbage, 1 medium chopped capsicum, 1 medium chopped onion, 1 medium spring onion or scallions, 4 to 5 cloves of chopped garlic, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Take 200 grams of finely grated cabbage and add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Now mix everything together. We are doing this to remove excess water from cabbage. Now we will cover it up and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, mix it again and transfer everything to a new bowl. We can see that the cabbage has released some water. We have to now remove all the excess water from it. Take chunks of cabbage like this and press it to remove all the excess water into a new bowl. For preparing the cabbage Manchurian ball, this step is very much important as the cabbage needs to be dry. Once done, we will add 1 teaspoon of garam masala followed by 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add some salt to taste. I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now mix everything together. Once everything is mixed, we will use our hand to make it into a dough. While preparing the dough, don't add any water to it. Once the dough is done, take small part of it and shape it into a round ball. Repeat this step till all the dough is over. Once done, place them in the fridge for 15 minutes as it will help with the binding process. Now let's start with the cooking of Manchurian ball. Heat oil in a wok or a kadhai, and once the oil is hot, reduce the flame to medium and gently add the Manchurian ball one by one. Let them sit there for 2 to 3 minutes and then stir them. Stir them gently so the Manchurian balls don't break. Cook them from each side and wait for them to turn golden brown. After 2 minutes, I can see them that they have turned golden brown, and we will remove them gently from the oil. Now we'll repeat the steps for the rest of the Manchurian balls. They are ready and they look crisp and amazing. You can even eat them and serve them just like this directly, as they are so delicious. Now let's start by preparing the gravy of our Veg Manchurian. So to a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We are cooking everything over high heat. So now add 4 to 5 cloves of chopped garlic to the oil. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add spring onion whites. Add 1 medium chopped onion. And then add 1 medium chopped bell pepper or capsicum. Mix everything together and remember we are cooking everything over high heat. Let it cook for 2 minutes, and then after 2 minutes, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Ketchup will help balance all the flavors in the gravy. Now mix everything together. Let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. Now add half teaspoon of powdered black pepper, or you can even increase if you like it more spicy. Give it a mix. Now we will add the spring onion greens and mix everything together. Now add half bowl of water and give it a mix. As you can see, the gravy is really thin. So we will let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and meanwhile we'll make a cornstarch slurry. In a bowl, add half tablespoon of cornstarch and add some cold water. Now mix everything together. The reason we are making this cornstarch slurry is because the gravy is thin and this will add some thickness to the gravy. Now turn the heat to low and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the cornstarch slurry and give it a mix. You will start to see the gravy is getting thicker. Now let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. Now we'll add the Manchurian ball one by one to the gravy. Now gently mix them together so that the gravy coats everything nicely. Now everything is mixed, and add some spring onion greens for the garnish. The cabbage Manchurian is ready, guys. Switch off the flame and serve them hot. Veg Manchurian or Cabbage Manchurian is ready, guys. You can always increase or decrease the amount of gravy and serve them as a starter or as a main course. I was really excited to make this video as I got a new tripod, light and mic set, and they are amazing. I will list everything in the description box below. Foodotomic also reached a milestone of 300 subscribers, and I would like to thank each one of you for all the love and support. Thank you so much. So if you like this Manchurian recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel Foodotomic. I will see you next time with a new vegan recipe. Until then, bye.